This question involves vectors and motion, and we're going to see two particles moving with two vector equations and find out where they move. Okay, first thing it says, at time t equals 0, a particle P with position vector 4i and moving with a constant velocity of I plus j. And so let's just look at this. So for r, to get its position vector, it's going to have r0, which is its initial position, plus v, its velocity, times time. Okay, that's what it's going to be. So let's just put in what we know. So position vector for P is going to be equal to, first of all, we've got 4i. So we'll do these as column vectors. It makes it a lot easier. So 4, 0. Instead of 4i, just do 4, 0 plus, and then we'll put our t first, t times, and then the velocity is I plus j. So that's 1, 1. So that's what this means is 1i plus 1j. Okay, so that's the position vector of P. For Q, the next sentence then, it says about Q, a second particle Q, with position vector minus 3j and moving with velocity v. Okay, so for Q, its initial position then is going to be, 0 minus 3, and it's moving with a velocity of v. So I'm going to say that's just t times v. In this case, we're going to say let the v for it equal ab. So therefore for q, we're going to say r is equal to 0 minus 3, and then plus t times ab. And that's what we need to find. We need to find this velocity first of all, and then once you find the velocity, we can find the magnitude of it to find the speed. Okay, what does it tell us then? It tells us after 8 seconds, the paths of P and Q meet, so they collide. That's a funny way of saying they collide then, or they intercept each other, whatever way we want to put it. So what we're going to do is put T equal to 8 and also put R of P equal to R of Q. So i.e. we're going to put 8 into this thing, t equals 8 into this, and we're going to t equal to 8 into this, and we're going to equate these two things. So the left hand side then we're going to have 4, 0 plus 8 times 1, 1 is equal to 0 minus 3 plus 8 times AB. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to equate the coefficients of I. So if you equate the coefficients of I, that's basically this top line here. We're going to put equal. So we're going to say 4 plus 8 times 1, just show all my steps, is equal to 0 plus 8a. Let's just tidy that up. That's going to be 12 is equal to 8a. 12 divided by 8 is the same as 6 divided by 4 is the same as 3 divided by 2. So your a works out to be, I'm just going to write it as 1.5. Okay, likewise equate the j's. So equate the j's, and if we do that, you're going to have 0 plus 8 times 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 8 times b. So 0 plus 8 times 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 8b, which means 8 plus 3 is equal to 8b. That's not going to be too nice. 11 then is equal to 8b. A wee bit of working out, then your b is equal to 11 over 8. Okay, right, that's what we've got. So you've now got your v. Remember it was ab. V was equal to ab. So we could then put our v is now equal to 1.5. I'll write that as 3 over 2 and then 11 over 8. So your speed, remember, is equal to your modulus of v. So how you do that, that's just the size of v. So we're just going to do our 3 over 2, it's going to get squared. Then you're going to do 11 over 8, it's going to get squared. And then you're going to square root. I'm going to do that in one go on my calculator, bear with me. Square root of brackets, fraction button, what was it, 3 over 2. Close your bracket squared, and then plus brackets, fraction button, 11 over 8. Close your bracket squared, square root of that, and it gave me a perfect answer of root of 265 over 8. I would definitely put that in, and then press my SD, so my speed is equal to 2.03 meters per second to 2 dps. Okay, that is it.